Why does your scanner show the P0346 engine code? What does it mean? P0346 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor A, Circuit Range or Performance Bank 2. This engine code indicates that the engine's control module has detected that the signal from the sensor is outside the expected range, often due to a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or a related problem like a failing reluctor wheel. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Damaged camshaft reluctor wheel. Timing belt or chain problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Honda, Nissan, Chevrolet, Kia, Audi, and Land Rover models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.